Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to continue our Python bootcamp series. Okay, so I already finished Lambda functions and map. Now I am going to move on a filter. Okay, so we can learn what is a filter. Wait a minute. I'm just going to share my screen with you. Okay, so in this lecture, we are going to learn what is a filter. So filter is a function. Okay, the filter function filter element of an each iterables like list or tuple. Okay, it will filter element from a list or tuple based on the whether a given function return true or false. Okay, and and here I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to you syntax of this. Okay, so here I'm going to write syntax. Here you can write like this: filter under in bracket function, and here filter function name and iterable. Okay, this is the function of sorry this is the syntax of filter. So function, a function that return the true, keep the element. If it keep the element, then it will return true, or it will give you false or discard it. Okay, and here in second step we use iterable means a sequence like a list and tuple or sets. Okay, and it return a filter object iterator which can be converted to a list using a list list method. Here you can see here I'm going to write code for the example one filter even number using a function. Okay, so here I'm going to define one function. Function name is even number. Def even even number. I'm going to pass number here. Number divided by 2 is equals to 0. If I'm going to divide number with 2 and I got remainder equals to 0, then number is even. Okay, so here this is for example purpose. I'm going to write list. Inside the list I'm going to pass some numbers 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, these are the number and I'm going to find out even or odd number. I'm just going to find out even number from this list. Okay, and here I'm going to create one variable even underscore number. Here I'm just I want output in list, that's why I'm going to write list here. And this is for filter. I'm going to use filter that it can filter the every element. Okay, this is the filter I already show you. You can use filter and here function name. So I can use function name here. So our function name is what? Even number. Even is a our function name. Okay, and after this what I need to pass iterable means any list set or tuple whatever you have. Okay, so here I'm going to pass our list. Okay, this is our list. Now I am going to print even number, even numbers. Okay, so here you can see I got two elements in list 2 and 4, that is even number. Okay, so here I have number. Okay, so uh, here these are the numbers in list. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so even number equals to list filter even number lst, and here this is the even number. I'm going to print this variable, and here list filter out even number from this list. Okay, then it will check internally that number. Like if you are going to take 1 divided by 2, then you need to check that it will give you reminder equals to 0. If it did not give you reminder equals to 0, then it is not even number. Okay, then you need to divide by 2 by 2, 3 by 2, and 4 by 2. Okay, if any number has reminder equals to 0, then it will be even number. Okay, now here in example 2, I have another list in example 2. I'm just taking from here. Okay, I'm giving list 1 here. Okay, so here, wait a minute. Filter a even number using a function. Okay, so I use function and now filter element by using lambda function. List equals to 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now I am going to write greater than 5. So here the lambda function true only for the number that greater than 5. Okay, so I am going to write code for this. So here I am going to define one variable greater than 5. Okay, I need provide another element because I want element that is greater than 5. Okay, so here this is the variable greater than 5. Here I am going to use list and filter and using lambda function. Lambda. Okay, I need to take x the parameter, and here I'm going to write expression. So in expression x would be greater than 5, and here I'm going to pass lst1. Okay, so here you can see mm, so you can see I have list and we have numbers less than 5 or less greater than 5. We have number and like different numbers, and here this is the variable greater than 5. I'm going to calculate the number which greater than to the 5. Okay, so I want output in list. Okay, so here I'm going to use filter that it will be filter out that numbers would be greater than 5. Okay, I'm going to use lambda here. Okay, so this is the parameter. Okay, and I'm going to use x that is greater than 5. Okay, so in list 1 we can list 1 it iterate means here lambda will iterate. It will take element one by one, x equals to 1. Then it will check here x is great 1 is greater than 5. No. Again it will check x equals to 2 here. So 2 is greater than 5. No. Again it take 3, and here check 3 is greater than 5. No. Again it take 4. 4 is greater than 5. No. Again it take 5. 5 is greater than 5. No. Now again it take 6. So 6 is greater than 5. Yes. So it will print, like it will give you 6, and here again it check 0. 0 is greater than 5. No. Here again check 12, 9, and 23 that these elements are greater than 5. Yes, from list. Okay, so we have list and it will take element from list x equals to 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, now it will print greater than 5. Okay, so I got greater than 5, 6, 12, 9, 23. Okay, I hope you got it. Now you can see multiple condition in lambda. It filter number that are both even and greater than 5. Okay, so these are the numbers. I'm going to find out even and greater than 5. This is the variable name. Okay, this is the list and this is the filter for filter out. Here I'm going to use lambda. Okay, x is greater than 5. Okay, this is the parameter, and here x is greater than 5. Here x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Okay, so one by one, x take values like x equals to 1, x equals to 2, x equals to 3. Okay, if element is greater than 5, then it will store and print. Okay, and it will also check like these number is divided by 2. Okay, it will find out like if we have 6. Okay, 6 is greater than, if we have x equals to 6, you can see here, if we have x equals to 6, okay, then it will also check this condition that it x divided by 6 divided by 2 and got remainder 0. It will check both condition, and here this is the number. So in number, it will take x equals to 1, x equals to 2, and x equals to 3, and check that this number is greater than 5 and this number divided by 2 and got remainder 0. Okay, now I can print this. So I got 6 and 8. Okay, 6 and 8 are those number which is greater than 5 and divided by 2 and got remainder equals to 0. Okay, now filtering dictionary. So we have dictionaries, multiple dictionaries. Dictionary 1, one, this is the dictionary 1, and this is the dictionary 2, dictionary 3. Okay, and here this is the list. Pupil equals to list. Okay, inside this list I have multiple dictionaries. Okay, here this is the function name. Okay, age greater than 25. So I'm going to find out the person from this, from these dictionaries. Okay, who has age greater than 25. Okay, so return person age is greater than 25. Okay, so filter pupil equals to list filter, and here age greater than 25, function name and pupil, this pupil, and print filter pupil. So I got 25. Okay, so here Nidhi is 33, 33, 32, 32-year old. Okay, that is greater than 25, and Jack are 33-year old. Okay, that is greater than 25. Okay, I hope you got it.